guys? Welcome to EddieVR. I am here in a snowy day with a lot of snow back there and a lot of snow up here. Okay, let me tell you something cool. This is a good cabin, dude. You never know what's coming up for you whenever you clean cabins. But here's you another snowy day, but this time with Eddie and narrator. Narrator's holding a camera for me. So, yeah. It's pretty much hard work. There's your narrator. So follow me and let's go see some more snow. Right over there. Narrator, you really are bad at holding a camera up to your face right now as a bird. But as a bird, we can fly! Ow! I lost flight. Eddie, you do not sound like that. I do too. Snow. Incoming snow! It'll become a blizzard. You guys want a heavy snowstorm? You know there are mountains back there, but you can't see them. Let me zoom in. Now you can see the mountains. How about me? Oh gosh. Okay, let me zoom out. So there you have it. Snowy mountains. Let me zoom out so you guys can see me perfect. See, I'm a handsome bird. Yeah. This is what I do with no VR. I always record snowy videos and do nothing else. Look over there. Snow! Here, I'll go put my head in snow. You wanna watch? You wanna bet? Huh? You wanna bet? Yeah, now I'm wet. You got to see content. That's content. I put my head in snow. If that's nothing for you, then what's wrong? Stop! Shut up, narrator. I didn't ask you. You pecked the camera, not me. Well, I guess it's time for us to leave. Adios, amigos. See ya in the next video.